Hi. The contraction of must have, or should have, or would have. Okay, it sounds slightly different. So, for example, he must have gone. He must have gone. He should have waited. Should have. Notice with I have, that contracts to I've. But in this case, the sound is different. Must have. Okay? He might have sent it yesterday. Yeah? He may have waited for me. I don't know. Okay? You would have done the same. Would have done the same. Okay? Try this one. I will have been here for 3 hours. Will have been here. I'll have been here. I'll have been here. I'll have been here. Okay? One more. You needn't have come. Needn't have. Okay, so notice in all of these, the contraction of have is pronounced of. Like in put, push, foot, book, okay, that's your sound, So, it must have been love. It must have been love. Okay, so, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Thanks for watching, and if you've got nothing to say, please feel free to comment. Yeah, give it a rating, definitely, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.